So,
our traditional
yearly tradition of gift giving.
Yeah.
Okay, first one is Mama. Over.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Okay, here. This is for Martha.
Ay, wow, thank you, man. Thank you.
This is for Bennett. Merry
Wow.
Christmas. And this another one.
Ay, thank you. Wow. Very good. Thank you, man.
Mama, that's the door.
lahat sa'yo sa unahan yan. Thank you.
Yay.
Thanks, Pa.
Woo.
Oh, Bong start with yes, presents.
Anything.
Wow.
You're welcome. Okay.
Okay, oh, it's
Thank you, Mama.
our turn. Nicole, oh, you give our gift na.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Later.
First is, of course, meeting Mommy.
Alright.
Mommy, help me. Mama.
This is your gift to Mama. Mama.
Merry gift to you, Merry Christmas.
Wow.
This one, may gift for... Mamaya na. This one, may gift for Bennett.
Wow.
This one, gift for Hennessy.
Wow.
Oh. Ay. This one, gift for my daughter. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, you have your own.
May advance gift na kami sa'yo. Huwag ka.
Okay.
It's your
My
turn.
turn.
It's your gift.
Okay, Bennett, Hennessy, please go to the nearest store. Okay. Actually, this is my gift for my mommy, for Nicole, and Michelle. Merry Christmas, everyone, and good night. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no!
Sunod na akin.
Ayaw, sino? Ano to? Wow! Wow!
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Ito yung gift ko kay Mama.
Wow!
Ay, look pa daw.
Wow! Wow, ganda!
Thank you.
Oh, yung same looking box! Oh, yung same looking box! Wow! Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci! Wow, nice cut! Oh, wow!
Thank you, Mama.
After 3 days, dark white. Ay, wow, I like this. I love this.
Another one.
Yay! I like this.
Wala mo po, Lisa?
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, nice one. I like this one.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Nagkapat slot, Mama.
Go there. Wow!
Okay, this is
Thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Wow!
And the gift.
Thank you, Anak. Wow, pati mo kayo dito.
Wow!
Wow, Hennessy.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Bye-bye. From our family to yours.
Merry Christmas!
And Happy New Year!